Good morning and welcome to Johnson's Garden Time. Jeremy, as we get into the gardening season, we think about the so many different things, many plants that we have in our flower and landscape beds that attract birds. It really helps enhance our experience outside.
Plants are a very important part of the ecosystems, and we've got a lot of plants in the stores that are going to attract different birds, but also pollinators to the landscape. But kind of looking today at what we've got to kind of other ways to attract some of these hummingbirds and different bird types, more specifically Orioles, to our landscape.
So let's look maybe first at, we have some very ornate feeders which really add to the area as well.
Of course, hummingbirds, kind of if you're around a body of water, we tend to see more hummingbirds or sometimes forested areas, but by having feeders right up on your deck, you can really attract those hummingbirds, and got a wide assortment of different feeder types that people can have. And it's really easy to attract them by using these feeders. So there's a couple things. We want to make sure our nectar is fresh, and by saying nectar, we're actually just mixing sugar water. So we're 4 parts water, 1 part sugar, and keeping that probably replaced daily is going to be best for the hummingbirds.
I'm guessing once they start coming to that feeder, you're not going to have problems with them not emptying that out.
That's right, and you see people that have them, and once you start getting the hummingbirds, it's important to get more and more, because that will continue attracting them. But lots of different decorative types, more functional types, so great different options. I really like, once you start getting them to the landscape, we've got these hummer rings, which is actually, you can wear it as a ring, and they'll come actually eat out of your hand.
I was wondering what that was on your hand the other day.
I was trying around the office.
Trying to attract it. So we look at Orioles, and they're a bird that is migratory, goes to what, South America,
Central
Argentina?
America during the winter months, and then flies back here typically about the 3rd week of April, so the 24th, 26th. Bright orange birds, very vibrant in the landscape, but they do need kind of a specific nectar or sourced, and then there's some things we can give them to attract them to the landscape.
I guess the same birds come back to the same feeder every year, so they know that you're going to be feeding them.
So they're attracted to the color orange, but they really like grape jelly. So we've got bird jelly in the store. You can use Welch's grape or any of those, but so the grape jelly is a great nutrition source for the birds, but you can put this in many different types of feeders. I've got one here that's kind of a combo feeder. This one's you're gonna be able to put an orange on that. Also has some cups for the grape jellies or the mealworms.
All right, come see us for any of your landscaping needs for plants or birds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.